What if I told you you could build a 20-watch collection for under $100 each? All smart buys, all great value for money. Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and today we are talking about 20 incredible watches, all for under $100 each. You do not want to miss this. This is going to be fun. You know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches. There are always sacrifices for a watch that costs $100. However, if it looks cheap, it didn't make it. If it feels cheap, it didn't make it. If it cuts too many corners, it did not make it. Every watch here wins somewhere, whether it's design, specs, comfort, they all are winners. All right, we are ready to roll, and we will start right here with the Watch Dives WD 1969. Now, this one made the list because it has vintage diver styling with strong proportions. On the wrist, this feels composed and balanced. The bracelet isn't luxury tier, but for under $100, the overall package feels intentional, and that's what matters. This one has a VH31 Mecha Quartz, and it's priced for $94 after applied discounts. Our second watch of the day is a nice piece for anyone's collection. This one has a jumping hour, the Millefortec R077. If you want something a little different in your box, one that has quiet confidence, put this one on your short list. It has a very clean layout with no unnecessary drama. Brand recognition is low, but visually and operationally, this absolutely holds its own, and it's priced at less than $95. Steel Dive has been considered a workhorse in the AliExpress stable since 2008 and have put out one banger after another. If you need proof, look at the SD 1953 and the SD 1970. Steel Dive hasn't rested on their laurels though. Check out this guy. This is the SD 1973. This is a solid, substantial pick, and it is packed with tool watch energy. You also get great lume and incredibly strong wrist presence, and it can be yours for around $77. You're not going to believe this, but you can get a Seastern Sub 300T for less than $100. This one brings a strong personality along with a distinct case shape and very recognizable design language. It's definitely not subtle, but it is awfully cool. Let's slow it down just a little bit. This is the GS04 by Samurai, a very elegant piece. Here you get a clean, everyday, sporty dress watch. It's nothing flashy, nothing forced, but just solid finishing and easy wearability, and it's less than $50, which is insane. And we are moving right along. Up next is the Pagani Design PD 1812. This $85 stunner is both polished and versatile. It's a watch that looks refined without trying too hard, and now truthfully, the bracelet quality can vary, but the piece is outstanding value for the money and one of my favorite in this lineup. Let's stick right here with Pagani Design for just a moment and check out the PD 1731. It has a classic layout, it's straightforward, and provides you with both a reliable look and great proportions. You know what else it gives you? A great price. This one can be yours for less than $50. You are now looking at the Cadison C8198M. It leans dressy and has a slimmer feel. It has an interestingly clean dial with balanced proportions as well. It has a Miyota mechanical movement, 316L stainless steel, and AR-coated sapphire. Just know this one is all about presentation, and it presents well. This is our ninth stunner of the day, the Addies Dive AD 2066. This one is both sporty and modern, a simple grab-and-go piece. And for a watch that costs around $55, you get AR-coated sapphire, 316L stainless steel, 100 meters of water resistance, and a VH31 Mecha Quartz with a smooth sweep. The lume isn't what you normally get with Addies Dive, but the dial execution is clean. And here we are approaching the halfway point, and what a watch to show you here. This is the Watch Dives WD 1980 version 3, and check out this retro diver style with awesome wrist presence. It's got a solid execution as well. It's nothing we haven't seen before, but it doesn't have to be revolutionary to be done right. This one is less than $70. All right, we are just over halfway. Up next is by Bernie. This is the AM 339M. Here you get 200 meters of water resistance, a simple symmetrical dial with easy proportions, and it's powered by the Miyota 8215. The case is 14 millimeters, but the price is just over $90, and that's a good trade-off. A lot of watch for not a lot of money. We are cruising right along, and this is a casual piece by Seagull, the 819-126061. This piece has a strong mechanical heritage at a budget price. It feels traditional along with solid good looks. I would consider a strap upgrade. Otherwise, the core is strong and affordable. AliExpress currently has this one for around $88. How much do you know about Thorn? This is one of my favorites, the T001. If you're looking for a vintage looking dress piece that has a clean layout and is purposeful in everything it does, maybe this should be on your short list. It may be understated, but it's full of confidence, and for around $65, it can be on your wrist. Sliding into number 14 is the Roll Stemmy RT7910, and this one's been around a couple of years but offers unexpectedly solid finishing, a well-balanced style. Yes, I know what you're thinking. It's definitely a familiar design. The name might raise some eyebrows, but for less than $70, this automatic is an incredible value. And take a closer look at the texture. It is beautiful. Tarami is one I rarely mention, but the TRM0005 deserves more attention. It has an attractive but simple mechanical layout, nothing flashy, nothing exaggerated, just straightforward watchmaking at a budget price. It has an NH35 automatic movement, 316L stainless steel, and an AR-coated sapphire. That's pretty strong for around $80. Here we are at number 16. This is the Addy's Dive AD2033. The dial on this one gives it personality. It adds depth beyond the price point. A mecha quartz, yes, and it's reliable and practical. 200 meters of water resistance, 316L stainless steel AR-coated sapphire crystal, and the lume on this one is nuclear. And for around $80, that's pretty amazing. So what do you guys think of WM? This is their model, the 189M. This is a solid gateway automatic and a great entry point for someone curious about mechanical watches. It's not overbuilt, but it sure isn't disposable either. WM has been on a roll now for a couple of years, and they do not disappoint. And for a $55 banger, it's an amazing piece. You guys keep telling me to get a Borman in for a review, and I really need to do that. This is the BM3135. A Borman automatic at this price always turns heads. It does feel ambitious for under $100, but all indications it surpassed all expectations. Long-term durability is always the question. The reviews are strong and the value angle is solid. There are just 2 watches left, and check this one out. This is the Carnival high-quality dress casual with a Miyota automatic movement. Credibility matters, and this piece has loads of it. The Miyota movement is legit. The finishing is pretty good, not great, but the foundation is dependable, and for less than $90, this is a good price. And last but certainly not least is the Boltony S2027. This beauty is vintage aesthetics done right. You get strong proportions with a clean design language. When it dips under $100, it absolutely earns a spot in the conversation. And here we are, less than $85. Well, there you go. 20 incredible stunners, all under $100. Any of these catch your eye? If so, let me know down in the comments. We did put links in the description just in case you want to go there and check them out and see if they're right for you. Just remember, if you decide to make a purchase, My Dude Watch may get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Hey, you made it to the end of another video. Thank you for doing that. We appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please take the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It'll only take you a second, but it really does help. All right, it's time to wrap it up, so we will close the show. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch. We'll do it all again next time. But wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late.